Let's explore the calendar, your central hub for scheduling and time management. You can access the calendar from the top right corner of the main navigation. Click on Calendar. The calendar brings together everything from GripIt, your habits, tasks, goals, and events, all in one visual timeline. At the top, you can switch between views: today, month, week, and day. Let me show you the day view first. This gives you an hourly breakdown of your schedule. On the right side, you'll see Today's Events, a list of everything scheduled for today. Here I have Morning Power Routine, which is a habit chain scheduled from 7 to 8 a.m., Morning Meditation at 8 to 8:30, Quick Exercise at 8 to 8:30, and Healthy Breakfast at 8 to 8:30. These habits appear on the calendar because they have specific times set. Here's an important note. When you create a new habit without setting a specific time, it defaults to 8 a.m. You should adjust this to match when you'll actually do it. Don't let your calendar get unrealistic. On the main calendar view, you can see your events displayed as colored blocks. Habit chains appear in one color, individual habits in another. Click on any event to edit it. You can change the time, duration, description, or delete it if needed. Now, let me show you how to add a new event. Click New Event in the top right corner. You can create different types of events: personal appointments, meetings, tasks with deadlines, habits scheduled for specific times, or goal milestones. Let me add an evening habit. Event title: Evening Wind Down. Description: Relaxation before bed. Date: today. Start: time, 9 p.m. End: time, 9:30 p.m. Event: type: I'll select habit. Choose a color. I'll pick purple. Location is optional. Click Create Event. Now this evening habit appears on my calendar at 9 p.m. Here's what makes the calendar powerful. It connects everything. Goals with target dates appear as milestones. Tasks with deadlines show up as reminders. Habit chains display as scheduled blocks. You see your entire day at a glance. You can navigate through time using the arrows at the top: previous day, next day, or jump to today. Switch to week view to see 7 days at once, or month view for the big picture. One important reminder: be realistic with your calendar. It's easy to pack every hour with activities, but you need buffer time, rest, and flexibility. If your calendar is completely full, you're setting yourself up for stress, not success. Review your calendar regularly, maybe every Sunday evening. Check: are my habits scheduled at realistic times? Do I have too many commitments? Where's my free time? Adjust as needed. The calendar also shows upcoming events in the right sidebar. What's coming next so you can prepare. And that's the calendar. A visual overview of your time, connecting habits, tasks, goals, and events in one place. Use it to plan your days, protect your time, and stay organized.